Part of the leather scraps that we've had for just today. Hey, what's up? This is Adam. Since my last project, the leather journal covers, I have had tons and tons of leather scraps just sitting around in my workshop area. I was hoping to find a project in which I could find a use for those. And so I contacted my friends at Valor Automotive in Junction City, and turns out I can do just that. So now I get to make 200 keychains for them for their logo. Let's take a look at the parts I ordered for it. Alright, what I've ordered here is a custom stamp for the Valor logo and a small cutting die. Here is the stamp. And there's also an outline that you can see around the edge so that you can line up where to put this clicker die, as well as a little mark there to help me punch out the holes. I guess it's about time to get started. Maybe make a test piece. Well, I don't remember where I put my small level. There we go. So since this stamp is so big, I think it's having a little bit of trouble getting as hot as it needs to be. I have an idea to cut off the corners and divert more of the heat towards the stamp itself. Having a problem here that's going to end up hopefully with the same solution as the stamp. It's kind of hard for me to see with the shadow how close the blades actually are to the stamp outline. So I'm going to try to shave down these corners and see if it gets a little bit easier. Alright, the logos are stamped, the shapes are cut, the holes are punched. Now, all that's left is to put the key rings on the keychains. They are all done and boxed up. Now I'm going to drive to Valor Automotive and deliver them. Let's hit the road. Hey, pretty good. What's up, Zeke? All right.
No, these are perfect.
Great.
These are good.
All right, I got the keychains delivered at Valor Automotive. It's all taken care of. Until next time, this is Adam Keith Schwinn.